What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Man, we got some crazy news today. As you guys might have seen already, I had to jump on my Surron and make this video for you guys. What an insane day. So the official Surron page on X and on Instagram dropped a teaser earlier today, literally about 6-7 hours ago as of me making this video. They dropped a teaser of a brand new Surron model called the Hyper Bee. This is insane. Now this raises so many questions. I have so many questions. They did also drop a little teaser video that's about 14 seconds long. That's all we got, but that little teaser got me excited, and honestly I have more questions now than anything. Like, this is gonna be insane. We only see a little bit of a side profile view of the bike, which looks like it's gonna have some real sick design and a real moto seat, and everything's gonna be crazy. Now, a bunch of questions, right? Is this gonna be replacing the Light Bee? Is this another model in between? Because we already have the Light Bee, of course, which is my baby over here, as you guys can see. Beautiful bike we are all familiar with. We have the Ultra Bee and we have the Storm Bee. So where is this bike gonna fall in the lineup? Is this like a step up from the Light Bee? Is this gonna replace the Light Bee? So many questions. Now, Surron's been doing this for so long, and honestly all of these other companies have been kind of taking some of their market share. You know, Talaria, E-Ride, especially E-Ride, with the pricing and the power that it has. I knew that Surron has to have an answer for this, otherwise Surron is just going to be left in the dust with all these brand new companies that are stealing a large chunk of the market. Because as of right now, if you're looking at this type of model or a Talaria, what's up, buddy? Come on, man. But yeah, if you're in the market looking at these types of bikes, I mean, it's really hard to pass on the E-Ride Pro. I know it has some sort of battery rattle issues or whatnot, but for the price, it's really hard to beat. And I was saying this to all my buddies and thinking about this for a while, like, man, Surron's gotta be doing something to answer back to all of these manufacturers that are pretty much taking a chunk out of this market. And I think that this bike just might be the answer. Again, so many questions, but I feel like they definitely kind of like learned their market audience, and especially with the tuning community and what E-Ride Pro has done, that this particular bike, first of all, from that side profile, I mean, it already looks really nice. And I'm sure they're gonna be doing something with the tires. I don't know if we're gonna get 1919 again. I think we're gonna be getting some sort of 1619 setup or something like that. This is just me, you know, kind of thinking out loud. Also, as far as power, this bike better be 72 volts at least. Gotta have crazy suspension, right? All that stuff that we are tuning. Now, I wonder what the price is gonna be like. We're gonna be finding out more information very soon. They said that on the little teaser video that is gonna come out August 23rd, and will not come out, but they're gonna reveal more August 23rd, so we'll know more info about this particular bike. But I can't wait. I cannot wait for that date to come already. This is gonna be crazy. In a way, I'm like, you know, I got my Surron all hooked up and everything, but we'll see what this one is all about. And without further ado, let me share with you the clip that Surron shared on their channel, and then we'll come back to wrap things up. Wow, you guys see what I mean? I hope you got as excited as I got watching those 14 seconds. That was insane. Of course, we're gonna have more information soon. As I said, October 23rd, 2024. and I will try to be on top of things and share that information with you as soon as possible. More questions than answers at this point, but it's really nice to see that Surron is moving forward in this market that they pretty much were the beginners, the starters, the OGs in. So that's always nice. Just really quickly wanted to share the news with you about this new e-bike. If you want to know more information when we have more information dropping, definitely hit that subscribe button. But that's pretty much it for me. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.